When Nintendo goes, others follow, and Nyko is no exception. The peripheral maker has just announced a Pixel Quest arcade dock inspired by Nintendo Labo at E3. Basically, it acts as a dock. You can put your screen in the front, your two Joy-Cons on the bottom, and it becomes an arcade cabinet, just like you used to have back in the day. It supports any game. There's no like software for it or anything like that. Literally, you just put the things in, attach like some weird like grippy arcade sticks to it, and away you go. I played Street Fighter 2 on it. It was difficult, but Nyko said it was like pre-production hardware, so hopefully the spacing will be a little bit better. I found when I was trying to like let off fireballs, the whole thing was moving with me. And at one point the thumbstick actually came off in my hands. But it is pre-production hardware. It's gonna cost $20 later this year, which seems like the perfect price point for this kind of thing. I can't say that it's gonna like change the way you game, but like if you have young kids and you're looking for a present around the holidays later this year, it seems like a decent shout. So much like Nintendo Labo, it comes with like a decoration kit. So you get the basic components you need to build it, and then there's like tiny little stickers that kind of can create pixel art. So the one that they built had a cool cat that I could never recreate by myself, but maybe my kids could have some fun and do like a cool decal on the sides. With the cheap price and the decoration and just the general size of this thing, you know how big a Switch is, so you can imagine how big this is in my hands. It's definitely targeted at kids, people with young families that really want like an activity together and then something to play with at the end of it. In that way, it's a lot like Labo, but whereas Nintendo has gone all out and created really complex, interesting things that can teach kids how to build stuff, this is much more of like a novelty, 2-hour project you can do with your kids, and then they can play with a tiny arcade cabinet that they probably don't remember because they're too young to remember arcades. So it feels like I've been here forever, but apparently it's only day 2 of E3, which means we're going to be here all week, bringing you some sweet video game content on Engadget.